Okay. According to Gilbert King's 2013 article on the rise and fall of Nikola Tesla and his tower, Tesla developed severe obsessive-compulsive disorder later in life and may have even been a high-functioning autistic. I have always been a big fan of Tesla and have read several books about him and watched many documentaries. Without Nikola Tesla, there would be a power plant every square mile in order to power our homes without the AC system that he invented. Today I'm going to talk about Tesla's life, various inventions, and his long-standing hatred of and arguments with Thomas Edison. Now I would like to talk about Tesla's life and how he grew up. My next few points are summarized from Tesla Universe's 2014 webpage, Tesla Timeline. Tesla was born on July 10, 1856, in what is now called Croatia. In 1873, he contracted cholera and was bedridden for over 9 months. His father promised him that if he got better, he would send him to school to be an engineer. By 1875, Tesla was attending the Polytechnic Institute in Graz, Austria. He was later kicked out because he gambled all of his money away. Tesla also attended the University of Prague. In 1880, he was a teacher in Gospic. Though he did not really want to be a teacher, he just didn't have any money. In 1884, 2 of his uncles scraped together enough money to send him to America so that he could be an inventor. Now that you have some background on Tesla, let's talk about some of his many inventions. Though Tesla did not come to America until 1884, he had already had a vision of a better power system and many other inventions as well. According to Tesla Universe, in 1882, Tesla had a vision of a better power system. By 1883, he was demonstrating a motor to the mayor of Strasbourg, who was using this power system, but the mayor didn't really understand it. Bio's 2014 article, Nikola Tesla, states that Tesla had 40 basic patents on the alternating current electrical system. He sold this system and its patents to George Westinghouse, a businessman who wanted the whole world to run off of Tesla's AC system. Nikola Tesla also designed the first hydroelectric power plant in 1895, according to Ljubo Vujevic's 1998 article, Nikola Tesla, the Genius Who Lit the World. In 1898, Tesla demonstrates how he can run a boat off of a remote control that he invented. Tesla was also recently put in place of Marconi as the actual inventor of the radio, because without the Tesla coil, the radio could not have been invented, and the only reason Tesla invented the radio coil was so he could put it in the radio that he also made. Bio's Nikola Tesla article says that Tesla got a large grant to build a tower that would allow wireless electricity for free throughout the entire world, but once his investors realized that they would not make any money off of this investment, they stopped backing Tesla, and Wardenclyffe Tower was eventually destroyed. Now I'm going to talk about Tesla's many conflicts with Edison. Tesla originally worked for Edison, and later they came to despise each other because of their constant competition over direct current and alternating current power systems. The information summarized in my next few points comes from Tesla Universe. Edison hired Tesla in 1894 to work for him, and after seeing his work, is quoted as calling him a damn good man. While working for Edison, he redesigned 24 of Edison's machines that have now become industry standards. In 1885, Edison is said to have offered Tesla $50,000 if he could redesign the DC system. When Tesla does this and far surpasses expectations, Edison refuses the money and tells him that it was just a joke. Tesla resigns and their lifelong hatred of each other begins. Edison even tried to smear Tesla's AC system by using it to publicly electrocute animals and use this as an example to show people the dangers of an AC power system. According to Bio's Nikola Tesla article in 1915, an article in the New York Times announced that Tesla and Edison were to share the Nobel Prize for Physics. Most people say that the reason they never actually got the prize was because Tesla refused to share anything with Edison. In summary, Tesla was a brilliant genius of a man. Without him, our lives would not be the same. He had a great mind that eventually drove him to obsessive-compulsive disorder, and he died a lonely man in a hotel room. Tesla had 286 confirmed patents from his inventions. There were many items that he invented but did not get a chance to patent or gave away to other investors.